There's peacocks sitting, dancing, posing, singing. I don't know if you can see them. There's at least 3 I can see from here. Yeah, there it's on the move. Oh, there's 4. Peacocks are, of course, the national bird of India. Oh, there's a farm of peacocks. So there's a farm of peacocks. And they're singing. Of course, the trucks are also always singing in India. They are in the trees as well. Got to keep moving. There's beauty everywhere. I'm not even shooting half of what I'm seeing, but yeah, it's just too good.